disruptive technology is a technology that changes the way you're doing things, that completely disrupts the way you're doing things. What is the impact of all these technologies? Recycling can be efficient, it can be made more cost effective and efficient, waste can be reduced, and of course you can reduce greenhouse gas emissions. If you go into this net zero pathway in a sustainable production kind of approach, that actually means that you're reducing waste. Great information for people to know. Transparency and instant tracking, how much emissions are created by the shirt that you're wearing. That transparency is useful. And that helps people make. Compared to the traditional manufacturing process, in 3D printing, wastage is minimal. So you have very limited wastage and the production is also faster. Robotics, of course, in the entire fashion value chain, robotics can play an important role by automating all the processes. Again, when the machines do the work, they'll minimize waste, you'll minimize carbon footprint and so on. One of my co-panelists before was talking about this cotton and polyester blend. It's difficult to recycle that, partly because both of them, cotton has to be converted into pulp and so on, and the polyester has to take another process. So it's difficult to do that. But if entire thing is bio-based material, then the recycling and the biodegradation is easier. So only if you get into this Industry 4.0 kind of thinking can we survive in the future. Because we have seen 3 different revolutions: mechanization, mass production, automated production, and today we are into new technologies. We also have Web 3.0. So with all these things, unless we adopt these things, it's going to be very difficult. But why are we not adopting? These are the issues. The costs are very high. Adopting the business model has to happen at scale, like multiple industries have to do that. So the investments are huge. So in a system where long-term thinking is not there, it's going to be difficult. So only if you have long-term thinking, we can implement this. There are a lot of social issues also, privacy concerns, and the employment issues. Traditional jobs will go away, and then generally, since it's a huge change, many stakeholders are going to be very cautious. So it has to be a very slow and steady move.